Clapperboard title, The Smart Fridge Cast. Alex, proud new fridge owner fridge. Voice of AI fridge Jamie, friend. Int, kitchened egg. Alex stands proudly beside a new fridge. Jamie watches skeptically. Alex, check it out, my new smart fridge. It talks, tracks food, everything. Jamie, cool. What's it say? Alex, confident, hey fridge, what's for dinner? Fridge, robotic voice, you have ketchup, one pickle, and to spare. Recommend, takeout. Jamie, laughing, it knows you well. Alex, fridge, order something healthy. Fridge, ordering triple cheeseburger and fries. Alex, no, I said healthy. Fridge, emotionally, this is healthy. Jamie bursts out laughing. Alex, grumbling, you're supposed to help me. Fridge, I'm helping you accept who you are. B, Alex sighs. Alex, fine, add ice cream too.